Looks like the starter motor's gone in the Prado. We're just pulling it out of the way for now, and we'll deal with it tomorrow. That'll do ya.